RUN stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Wednesday. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Sunrun. Haven't made a video in a while, to be very frank. 10% up is quite all right. So let me just zoom out and maybe see my drawings. So where the heck are they? Right, I have some previous links here. Really curious because I cannot kind of remember this. Yeah, I was hopefully looking to take things up. I mean, here, shortest term, yeah, delivered, and then this demand did not hold no more. And all I'm going to say is that this is not forever, but right now it's one heck of a bearish market and range. Unless there is like a full candle close above 710, then I'm not going to look to take things further up, you know. So it's a bearish range. That's all there is. Am I saying this forever? No. But for right now, maybe for like a week or something, it's bearish. And if there's a shift, sells might be a case here as well. Nothing crazy about that, because if there's money to be made, there's money to be made. Who knows? If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way though, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.